Yeah, I'm Olly Harrison. This is Wellbrook Farm. It's one of 3 that we farm. We've just put a new straw shed up behind us. We've used Marlon CST Heatguard because I hate dark sheds. I hate it when you're back into a building and you can't see where you're going. Whereas that, it's bright, but it's not hot in there as well. So it's a perfect product for us. But no, the first time I saw it, I was judging Cheshire Farms competition, and it was a really hot day, and I could see this shed that we're walking towards with this clear roof. I thought, it's going to be hot in there. And when I walked in, it wasn't. And I was like, what is that roof? And then I met Alan at Nantwich show, and he gave me a sample of it. And then when I was putting this building up, I was like, right, that's what I want.
Hi, it's Alan Callaghan from Agritherm Roofing Systems. And I think what attracted Olly to Marlon CST Heatguard, not only was it manufactured by Brett Martin at Mollusk in Belfast, the peace of mind of buying a product that was manufactured in the UK and from a company that has been in business 65 years.
With it only being made in Ireland, we flew over to Brett Martin and had a look around, actually saw the stuff being made, and then they give us all the technical advice on how to put it up and how to put it on properly. And one of the reasons I went to the factory was to see how it was made, because I couldn't understand how something see-through could let the light through but not the heat. So when I went and looked at the process of how they made it and the way they put the aluminium within it, the aluminium is what reflects it, but it still lets the light through, but it bounces the heat back. A few weeks ago it was up to 30 odd degrees here, but you walked in the shed and it was like walking in the shade, although it was still light. It's very clever stuff. Our shed builder, RM Gibbons, this was the first one they did with that. I think the first day they took it steady just to make sure that they were getting all the holes in the right place and drilling everything properly. And then after that, it was nearly a bit easier because it was lighter stuff to work with when they put the shed up. Next time I put a building up, I definitely use the magic roof, which is technically called Marlon CST Heatguard, because I just think it's brilliant the way it works. It's magic.